no, 10. Just put as many as you want.
Yeah, just pile them all in.
I heard that. Pull them all in there.
Not all of just most. Just make it
We'd
full.
like to get some actually in the tube, yeah? Because I do not to put this mouth because they don't need all the experiments.
Yeah.
They're cold. Cold, man. Cold.
Wait. Guys, man, you got... one couple.
So hold a second.
5.
Hold a second.
4.
Let it rip. This is not Mabel. Oh, failed so badly.
Oh, move that carcass. Okay, then we've got another group ready.
Yep.
You need
Hush, you can't hear the people talking. Three more.
Okay. Even all right.
10. I wonder what that tastes like. Wait for it. Yeah, wait. Ready.
5.
That's not.
4.
Take off.
28 is ours. First I've had to warn you, I gave people codes of conduct yesterday interfering with the experiment.
Give me one. You already got one. Alan, just let them get one. Where's the cap? Why do you need what up? Bro, I was waiting for it to fall. What up, Sean? Can you say some work for me? Why do you go back? Yeah. I'm gonna be and sing on my bed. Here's the floor. No, right. Living here. Oh my God! The cameraman needs to shop. Yo, cameraman, I'm cameraman, boss. I'm the cameraman, what's up, Chief? Oh, so bad. No. Move back, bro. Alright. Go on the corner.
Oh, alright, next group over here. 1, epic.
It's not gonna work.
Shake it, man. Shake, rattle.
Get out! I'm recording. Emil's recording.
I'm having a bottle after it's done, boys.
Yo, Kevin, can you give me some? Dude. Kevin.
Yeah, you got it. Got it.
You guys, that's something really important.
I want to go back to this kind of days.
Oh, sorry.
Wish we
Get some rocks, yeah.
I'm gonna picture everybody's face except mine.
Okay, show me my face. Wait, me. Okay.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
4, 3.
Okay, what are you doing? 1.
Sleeve!
Shake it.
Oh!
We got up to the 37.
On the edge! I'm gonna put it in.
Gonna put it in.
On the corner, man. Yeah. Hey, milk,
What?
come on, boy.
Later.
Dave, I hold the bottle gun.
Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, go! It's fizzing. It's fizzing.
Yeah, like that. Now stop it.
It's failed.
Where's Evan? Pick all that stuff up, take it to a bin.
Excuse me.
Somebody got Coke.
Where's the card? Where's the big card?
Somebody go to that Coke.
What's wrong with that? Let's move back, people. I don't want to get wet.
Oh, Phantom Menace.
Oh, let's just drink your R&B later, Jason. Jason, let's just drink your R&B later. The hell? Are you serious? I'm filming.
Can you imagine if this is what you did, like, sort of stuff you did all day?
Helping
And a bit of PE, a bit of art.
And then drinking it? Yeah. Yo, can I have some, Helen? One.
Get a few minutes off something.
Fine.
We need a camera guy.
Yeah, sir, here. I'm gonna put everything on YouTube.
5,
4, 3, 2, 1. The last one was 82 centimeters. That was epic. That's what they say. Well, we're gonna put this on YouTube. Definitely. The last one was a fail. I'm gonna try and put it on Facebook, but I don't know how. Keep playing it. I wanna video everything on that. Did we video it? Oh, that's upside down, bro.